Welcome to this session. In this session, we will cover OPPs in Python. So, so let's check it out. What is OPPs? So, OPPs stands for Object Oriented Programming. Here you can see, and principle of OPPs programming are based on six pillars. Here you can see pillars are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So what is object? So object is real world entities like integer number, float number, a name, anything are anything which is exist are object. So what is class? So class is generalization of particular type of object like animal. So animal is a class, but dog is object. Animal is class, elephant is object. Fruit is class, but apple is object. So like this, you can say a class is generalization of particular type of objects. OOPS programming has one more important property is inheritance. Here, one class can inherit property of other class. Like animal class can inherit property of human class. Like monkey have some kind of property of human, and as well he have uh, some kind of property of animal. So in inheritance is a property where one class can inherit properties of other class. So this is called inheritance. And one more feature OOPS has, that it's polymorphism. Means is having many form. Means a method or a feature of a class can work differently for different object. Like speaking for human. Yes, he can speak, but animal, for dog, it cannot speak. Like I created a class animal. So how it speak? For dog, how it speak? It speak like bow bow, and for cat, it speak like meow. So this is the polymorphism. Means uh, a feature of class can work differently for different type of object. I will explain that what is method of class and what is feature of class and what is the behavior of class. I will explain in next video with code example. And one more feature of OOPS programming is abstraction. Means it only display essential info to user and hiding the details. Like we created in abstraction, like we created a object dog from animal class. So if we want that our dog speak something, so it will just return us bhaw bhaw. It will just speak. It will not show us how it is speaking. Like he's drinking water, then he will speak. Like any kind of internal working, it will not shown to user. So this is the abstraction. So this is very important interview question, that what is abstraction. If you are preparing for some tier 1 companies, then they will ask you in detail. But for tier 2 companies, they will not ask. So what is encapsulation? One of the properties of OPS, that building of data into single unit. Like I collected all the behavior of animal and build a animal class, build an animal class, and from this animal class, I should be able to create any animal. Like I created a animal class, and if I want to uh, create dog from this class, so I will be able to create dog. If I want to create elephant, then yes, I can create a elephant as well. I want to create a cat, so I can create cat as well. So this is encapsulation in OOPS. So this is the uh, these are pillars of OOPS programming. So in next video we will see class and object in uh, in in Python, and we will discuss class and object in detail as well. So thanks for watching this video. In next one we will see class and object. So thanks.